Hi guys. Yesterday I was reading some stuff on the Jersey Devil forums and the Balisong forums, and I noticed some guy put a picture in from a Böker Plus Balisong from an Austrian knife shop, and I live in Austria, in Vienna, so I went to a knife shop and picked this up. It's not the small one as the guy mentioned on his thread. It's a bigger size knife. It's looks pretty much like a Benchmade 51. It has a spring latch. Here it has blue anodized titanium liners in there, and the clip is also like bluish. It has Zen pins on it. The length is pretty much exactly like my Kimura. I don't have it here at the moment, but it's the same length. The weight on this knife it's about 4 ounces 20. And for look, I want to show you the spring latch. Here's the blade. It's a very needle sharp tip, so for me, I don't think it would be a good EDC knife or flipping knife. If you throw this one time at the ground, and the tip will break off for sure. It's so delicate, it doesn't make sense for me to use a knife like this. Maybe for self-defense, but for size comparison, I have my Pandayan Palacio Balisong from Armand Palacio, so I can compare the sizes. It has shorter handles. The blade is the same size, length. Here they are close, side by side. Yes, I don't think that the quality is too bad, because the scales they match the liners pretty well, and it's smooth. At flipping, I cannot flip it very nice. I'll put some footage in because I just took it today, and I'm used to a heavy Balisong like the Kimura or my Pandayan, which is 7 ounces and 80. But I think the balance is not too good on this knife because the handles are too short. What do I think about it? It's obviously a Benchmade 51 clone, and I don't like it. But I'll put a link in there if somebody is interested from the knife shop in Vienna, where I got it from. And maybe the one reason I don't like it is because as I took it to my work from the knife shop, I was there at lunchtime, and then I took it back and tried some flipping. It pinched. I tried an helix, which is very stupid with a new knife like this. I never had such a light Balisong in my hand, and it flew from my hand right into my leg. I will show some pictures. The blood was all over, so maybe this is the reason I don't like it, but you can decide on your own. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.